Hey YouTube, this is a Hampton Bay Farmington ceiling fan. Turn it on low. Looks like it's coming out a little bit. There's low. I'm just gonna do a quick demo of it. Here's medium. There's dust falling off it because it was in reverse. And here's high speed. I'm not gonna be here for too long. I'm gonna put that back on medium because that's where it was when I came in. Put it back on reverse. Yeah, the dust just flew everywhere, but that's gonna be it. So I just wanted to do a quick demo of it while I was here. So there you guys go.